Have you ever looked at a bustling train station during rush hour? At first glance, it appears chaotic, people moving in every direction, hurriedly weaving through the crowd. But look closer, and you'll notice patterns emerge. Strategic movements, organized flows, and a hidden rhythm that keeps everything on track. This is controlled chaos. Controlled chaos is the art of finding order within apparent disorder. It's a concept that thrives in competitive environments, whether in business, sports, or even nature. On the surface, it might seem like confusion reigns, but beneath that, there's a carefully crafted strategy at play. In the business world, controlled chaos is often the secret weapon of industry leaders. Consider a tech startup. Its open floor plan and lively debates might seem disordered, yet these are the very elements driving innovation. Similarly, in sports, successful teams exemplify controlled chaos. Picture a basketball game, players darting across the court, passes flying, and seemingly spontaneous plays unfolding. But each player knows their role, their moves choreographed through strategy and practice. The result? A seamless performance that dominates the competition. The beauty of controlled chaos lies in its ability to adapt, evolve, and thrive under pressure. It's not about eliminating unpredictability, but harnessing it to drive success. So next time you find yourself amidst what feels like chaos, look closer. You might just discover the genius hidden within. Controlled chaos isn't just a phenomenon, it's a skill, a mindset, and a strategy. Embracing it can transform challenges into opportunities and turn the seemingly impossible into a masterstroke of organization. In the world of innovation and leadership, few individuals shine as brightly as Mr. Ash Mafareh. His vision and the dedication of his exceptional team have set a new standard for what it means to lead with innovation and purpose. Their journey is nothing short of transformative. Imagine the butterfly, an emblem of metamorphosis. It begins its life in the humble larval stage, often overlooked and underestimated. But within that unassuming form lies the promise of something extraordinary. Through patience, strategy, and the wonders of nature, it transforms into a creature of unmatched beauty and grace, a symbol of potential realized. This is the perfect metaphor for the journey of Mr. Mafareh's company. There were times when the path forward seemed unclear, moments that might have been mistaken for stagnation. But what appeared to be stillness was, in reality, a time of intense preparation and growth. Just as the caterpillar restructures itself within the cocoon, Mr. Mafareh and his team worked tirelessly behind the scenes, strategically crafting a future that would astound. The world has taken notice. With innovation at its core, this company has emerged as a beacon of forward-thinking technology and leadership. Mr. Mafareh's approach is not just about maintaining contact and transparency with his people. It's about safeguarding visionary ideas, ensuring they are realized to their fullest potential before they are shared with the world. This protective strategy is not secrecy. It's wisdom, born from experience. And now, as this company prepares to spread its wings, the anticipation is palpable. What lies ahead is not just a continuation of the status quo, but a bold leap into the future. A future shaped by the genius of Mr. Mafareh and his team. To all who have witnessed this journey, let us take a moment to appreciate the brilliance of this leadership and the beauty of transformation. Thank you, Mr. Ash Mafareh, and to your team and family for guiding us toward a truly awe-inspiring horizon. The world awaits the unveiling of this masterpiece.